I'm gonna show you a bit how to work with UCU paint. I don't know how you said it, but I'm gonna show you how to change a bit of the texture on that. First, you need to be sure that in preferences you have the add-on UCU paint installed. You can get it in get extension. Go here and you have an install button. So once you have this, you can press the button N or go on that smaller one, click on it. And now we got UCU paint at the bottom or somewhere in your list. First, to know I am in texture paint, I can select what I want to paint by clicking like the object I want to paint. And now I'm here, you're gonna have a lot of stuff in the UCU paint thing. So imagine I wanna change the color of this. I can go here and change the color to what I want. Up. I can go back to what it was before. If I wanna add a pattern on something, I can click. So you got like the normal color and you got the mask. So if I am on the mask and wanna add like I don't know, I'm in painting mode. I can change my brush here. I'm in painting hard. And what if I want to change that to have like one more stripe here? I can. Or if I want to, at the bottom as example, I can go in edit mode, select only that part, Control I, hide, and now I can fill that part and go back in edit mode, Alt H to unhide, and now I got this. And here I can paint a bit more what I want, so I'm gonna quickly add some end up. And like here too. Also, it's not that easy to do it at first because the brush doesn't work like in Substance, but you can do almost the same painting thing. Like when it's simple, you can do that. Up. And if you have an issue here, like just go back and paint. Then I can press X to do my thing. Up. I can do the same here. Okay, so now I got this. Like I am happy. I Control S to save. If you see a star on a texture, I mean on an object, Control S, or it means it's not saved. And that one is set up with smoothness, like you need to use. And I have like it's gonna export a metallic smoothness map to use with standard shader. But if I want to change the example, the smoothness for the base color, I can just go here. We got all the channel, do that to 1, and it's gonna be shiny. I can put that to 1 to be metallic. I can put that to 1 to add bump and stuff. I keep everything to 0 because it's more like a toony look. I can go here and add a new color with image mask. But because it's on the body, I'm gonna make 4K as a black. I'm gonna query it pattern true. Put a random color for now. I can change that later and press OK. And now I can. It add a new pattern, a new layer, and I can paint on it. And you have to be sure that what you want in the channel is activated. So I'm gonna activate everything here. I put metallic and smoothness to value, and I want both to 0 by default. And I can have a normal map on it. A bump. I can change the bump to be inside or outside. And if I don't like it, I can just remove it. Up. Once your color is done and you're happy, oh yeah, so you can go in Misc. In Misc you got all the color tools, the beans and stuff. Want red beans, up. It's kinda like Substance. Minus all the stuff you can do with it. I'm just gonna change the color back to what it was. Sometimes you might need to save or update it because it's not always updating properly. But yeah, now I'm happy and I want that to be a new texture that I want to use in Unity. What do I do to export it? First I go in body, on MISC, I both click on color just to be sure. And I can go just below the material list, UCU paint body. I can press the bake all channel. I put that one in 4K because that's what I want. The margin, I don't know, you can put 16 if you want. Just to be sure at distance in Unity it doesn't look weird. Bake device CPU. I'm not sure if GPU is faster or not. We're only using one sample because we don't have like any lighting system or anything. And I press OK. That one take a bit. You can like take a coffee or something. That's maybe the issue compared to Substance is that will take more time to bake the channels to image. And it should be done soon. I'm sorry, I want to keep it like unedited so you can see that it has some flow, you know. It's not night on flower and stuff. Like it has its flow to use this instead of Substance. But once it's done, so I'm gonna put it like that, yeah, so I know if it's back to normal that means finish. You can also check on your CPU usage, like is it actually doing something. If you see Blender at the top, that means yeah, it's doing something. You just wait for it. Okay, so that's done. And just after that, I'm gonna press Ctrl S to save. Because you never know, it can crash or anything, you know. Just in case you're gonna save. And now I wanna export that. So as you see, I am in use baked mode. I cannot change any layer. I can press that to go back in painting mode. So if I click, I will show you after, but first I'm gonna export this. So I go in layer, bake color. Here I press save all bake image to, and I'm gonna go like I'm gonna make an example folder in my Unity project. And now if I go in here, you can see exported, base color, displacement, metallic, smoothness, normal. So those three one you usually don't need it. You need that one, and that one if you got like a normal. And it exports the texture for you. So yeah, happy, yippee. And you can go back to use baked. So if you press that button, you go back in layer mode. So that would be like the baked texture he made, because you know it's Blender, it have to bake stuff into one image. And that's the normal thing, where you can like go back and edit your stuff, you know. And I can go in MISC, and in the MISC I'm gonna do the same. Up, bake all channels. That one is in 2K because like I don't need to have that much information. It should be a bit faster, but don't expect it to be that fast. Okay, it's done. Again, Ctrl S, just in case. I don't want to lose what I just baked. And now I'm gonna go back in bake color and bake all the image to example. And once it's done, you can see all the material are here. And now you can go in Unity if it want to. And in Unity, if I go in example, like I will have all my color and stuff, I can make a material with them. So yeah, that's the very basics of it. It's not Substance Painter. If you're used to Substance Painter, it's gonna be different to work with it. There is a lot you have to learn to understand it and make fancy stuff. but I hope that will help you a bit to make your avatar and to make your avatar and your texture and stuff. If you don't have substance, that can be like an alternative you can use to make your texture. Puff, and then now I got my my cute little bat that I can use for Unity. One last thing, you can go on your body and you can change the blend shape and stuff while you work. So if you wanna do that, you can, and work on the side you don't want to. You can use edit mode as you've seen for the feet to hide what you don't want to work on. So I think that's a bonus compared to substance. Like you can use the blend shape to change what you want to show or not, or hide, or you know, you can do a lot of stuff. That Blender file is available on the Batdal Gumroad and Jinxie. It will be an example. I will not give you any help on it for now, because I'm still learning how to the tool, but I think that can be nice.